In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of Messenger not sending photos. To begin, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner. This will take you to your device's settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Apps. Tap on it. Now, look for a search button at the top right corner and tap on it. Type in Messenger and hit search. You should see Messenger listed in the results. Select it. Now that you're on the Messenger app page, locate and tap on Force Stop. Next, scroll down slightly until you see Storage. Tap on it. Here, you'll find two options. Tap on Clear Cache. Remember, do not select Clear Data, as that may erase important information from your app. Once you've cleared the cache, go back and scroll up to find Permissions. Make sure that permissions for photos and videos are enabled. This allows Messenger access to your media files when sending photos. Now return once more and tap on Mobile Data. Here, toggle on the switch next to allow background data usage. After completing these steps, restart your device. This helps ensure all changes take effect properly. If you're still facing issues after restarting your device, consider updating your Messenger app. Open up Google Play Store and type in Messenger. If there's an update available, tap Update. Once updated, restart your device one last time. Your photo sending issue should now be resolved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.